Quick reading for February the 25th to the 26th. Pisces, your cards are the Five of Pentacles, Seven of Wands, and the World card. So, ang nakikita natin dito, parang someone here left the other person in the cold. Pero, parang ang sabi niya, ngayon medyo mali yata yung aking nagawa with the Seven of Wands. Parang gusto nitong mag-strategize paano babawiin itong kanyang mga nasabi, paano babawiin yung mga ginawa niya. It felt like yun kasi ang mahirap eh. Once things are said and done, you cannot undo it. Unless, parang gusto nitong bumawi, no? Pero chances are, itong mga pagkakataon na ito, nag-iisip siya, if I am in this position, how am I gonna go back and approach my person seamlessly? No, na hindi ako ipagtatabuyan, na i-embrace ako with all their might para maayos itong relationship. But yeah, ayun yung mga nasa isip ni person. So this is your quick reading, Pisces, for February the 25th to the 26th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye bye love.